Agoy, ginoo, gipahilak.
Touch.
Oh, naku, magdahong mo na yung subuhaton. Salamat, kaso. Salamat. Special na salamat ka.
Sa wife.
Way Lain nga asawa, Sara, sinita.
You should change your name to beautiful.
Don't worry about that extra line that's creeping up on your face. It's just a part of nature's way to say you've grown a little more. Trees have rings, thicker branches. Kids' shoes get a little tighter. Every year we're getting closer to who we're gonna be. It's time to celebrate the story of how you've come to be. Happy birthday!
Happiest 71st birthday to my ever best partner in crime, our life tATAY. May the Lord grant all your heart's wishes and desires. May He keep you from harm and give you good health always. More years to live aron makapadayon pa ka sa pagpangalagad kaniya ug sa iyang katawhan. Daghang salamat tay sa imong pagmahal ug pagpangga namo nga imong pamilya. You are the best bana for me and best tatay sa atong mga anak. Hinaot nga magmalipayon ka ni imong special day. Bisag wala tay hikay, importante nagpasalamat ta sa labang makagagahom ug atong yampo nga hatagan ka og maayong panglawas kanunay. We love you more and more each day. From your wife, Nilda. To my dearest tatay Nito. Happy birthday! May God shower you blessings on this very special day of yours. I may not be very vocal in saying I love you, but I do really love you. And I'm so lucky and I'm proud to be your son. Our father and son relationship may not be perfect, but I can proudly say to the world that I am not who I am today if not because of you. If not because of your discipline, and if not because of being a model to us and my brothers. I may not follow all on how you discipline us, but my upbringing with my own children is very based on how you showed us. Maybe you are not the best father in the world, but for me, you are the best, and I can't find another tatay like you. Me and my brothers and your grandchildren love you and are very proud of you. Stay strong always. Happy birthday, Tatay Nito. This message is from your eldest son, Ayan. Another message. Sinyas Ratay. Happy birthday. Love you, Tay. And this message is from your second son, Manong Inting. To Tatay Nito. Happy birthday, Tay. We may not be at your side now to celebrate your birthday, but you are always in our hearts, together with Teen, MJ, and Chan Chan. Tay, thank you is not enough to say how grateful I am that you are my father, because you are such a one in a million tatay. You are not a perfect father, but you're the best one to us, your children. Your principle in life is my inspiration to pursue my dreams and reach beyond my limits. Tay, I hope you will enjoy your day and bring out the best of it. Happy birthday, Tay. We love you and see you soon. This message is from your third son, Eric. Happy birthday, Tay! Wish you good health always. Daghang salamat sa tanan nga sakripisyo ninyo ni nanay. Amping mo diha kanunay, we love you always. And this message is from your youngest son,
Living
Donito.
such a lovely tune.
Alright, happy birthday, Tay!
In a world that's so imperfect, every word you say is music. You should change your name to beautiful. You should change your name to clean. Make tears impossible. Wish that I could have you with me every time I fall. In a world that's so imperfect, I know you will try to fix it. You should change your name to
Agoy, ginoo, gipahilak. Salamat ko magdahong mo rin sa buhaton. Salamat, kaso. Salamat. Inyong tanan. Ayan. Eric. Neil. Francis. Salamat inyong tanan. Ako magdahong mo rin sa buhaton. Salamat.
Ini naninilda
Espesyal na salamat ka.
sa wife.
Lain nga asawa, sala sinila.
Yay!
change your name to beautiful. You should change